drone technology is revolutionizing industries worldwide, offering startups incredible opportunities for growth and innovation. Understanding the basics is crucial. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, use advanced sensors and cameras to capture data from above, enabling precise mapping, inspections, and aerial photography. For startups, drones can streamline operations, reduce costs, and improve safety. Key considerations include choosing the right drone for your application, understanding local regulations, and ensuring proper training for your team. As you integrate drones into your business, focus on data management and security to maximize value. Stay updated with the latest advancements, network with industry experts, and explore partnerships to accelerate your growth in this dynamic field. By embracing drone technology, your startup can gain a competitive edge and unlock new possibilities for innovation and efficiency.